to put that butter down. Put that shea butter down. Yes, you. I see you in the back there, clutching your shea butter to your chest. Let it go, sweetie. I'm about to ruffle some feathers. I'm about to come for all y'all asses, including my own. Before we go any further, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you aren't subscribed already, then what is you doing, sweetie? What are you doing? Subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell button so you're notified every single time I post a new video. Join the XO gang because we lit over here, okay? What if I told you you only need 3 products for your natural hair routine? Yes, you heard me correctly. 3 products for your core go-to natural hair consistent routine. You only need 3 products. I think it's time for a reawakening. Hey, you. Yeah, you. Where are you going with all them products? Wait, no, come back. See? That's what I'm talking about right there. Like I was saying, I think that it is time for us in the natural hair community to have a reawakening, a re-education. I think we need to take a step back and just look at our routines and reevaluate all the products, the techniques, the methods, specifically of the LCO kind or the LOC kind. I'm just saying. But a lot of stylists have been coming out and saying that all of the leave-ins, the creams, the butters and heavy oils, all that stuff we've been using in our hair might not be doing what we think they're doing, okay? They might not be giving what they were supposed to have gave. That goes against pretty much everything we've been taught about our natural hair for the past few years since the natural hair movement started up. Completely goes against it. So of course there's pushback from the community. People love their butters, people love their Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil and all that other stuff, but I'm here to back them up. I don't know if this has been a topic of conversation in the natural hair community on YouTube because I don't really follow natural hair content on here anymore. I don't really pay attention. I don't watch a lot of videos. So maybe this is not the first time it's being talked about. You know, I have no idea. But as for me and my subscribers, I will be addressing this today and I'm coming to you guys with the evidence, the receipts, the tea. So basically, these stylists have been saying that all we need is shampoo, a good conditioner, and some quality gel. That's it. Let's talk about the old routine a little bit. So before, what I was personally doing, especially when I first started here on YouTube, my routine consisted of so many steps. So I would start with some sort of pre-treatment, like a pre-poo or a hot oil treatment or a bentonite clay mask. I used to love those, which I'm just now finding out that that might be harmful for your hair as well, but I don't know enough about that to talk about it. So, and then I would go in with shampoo for step number 2 and lather, rinse, maybe repeat. Then I would condition my hair either with a regular conditioner or a deep conditioner. Actually, when I first started, I was doing conditioner and deep conditioner. So unnecessary. But then I would condition and detangle, wash the conditioner out, apply a leave-in conditioner to my hair, and then apply a styling cream or butter, twisting cream, shea butter, mango cream butter, whatever, some sort of butter or cream. And then I would apply an oil, usually like an oil mix or something like that. And then I would use my styling product, my gel or whatever. Oh my gosh, looking back now, I'm just like, why? Why? So eventually that routine kind of evolved and I started to use oils less and less. It wasn't a conscious decision. I just kind of stopped using them. So after my wash and condition, I would just do a leave-in conditioner and my twisting cream and gel, or no, that was it. Which is still kind of a lot, but I just swore that my high porosity hair needed all of the thick, creamy products to seal that moisture in. Watch out. So young and naive. That was my old routine. That was what, like 7 steps? I don't even know. Pre-wash, condition, LOC style. That's like literally seven steps down. You can go to my channel and scroll all the way down to the oldest videos and see what my routine was like. So with that being said, I don't really believe in that old routine that I have, and I've been going with what the stylists are saying we should be doing, which is shampooing, conditioning, and going straight to styling gel. I want to come on here and personally show you guys my routine that I've been doing as of recently. So for my new routine, the first thing that I do is shampoo, of course. Unless I'm using Olaplex, they have like a little pre-treatment that you use before shampoo, but in this case, I'm not doing that today. So I'm using the Raw Sugar Pro Remedy Reconstruct shampoo. I've been loving this shampoo, and I have a video on the line. You guys can go check that out. It's linked up above. So I just do a little lather, rinse, and repeat. Make sure I get all up in there because I definitely missed spots the first time around. So I like to go around a second time just to make sure that I've gotten everywhere, all up into my scalp. So after I rinse out the shampoo the second time, I then apply the conditioner or deep conditioner. In this video, I only did a conditioner because I deep conditioned the week prior, so I didn't really feel a need to. So it wasn't really necessary to do a deep condition, but I'm using the Camille Rose Moroccan Pear Conditioning Custard, one of my favorite conditioners right now. I just love Camille Rose. They just be coming through for your girl. And this conditioner is amazing. It smells so good and has so much slip. And it's fantastic, right? It's fantastic. So after detangling with this conditioner, I let it sit in my hair for just about 5 minutes, you know, and then I'll wash it out and then go straight to styling my hair with the gel, right? You guys see it. I didn't do nothing else. I didn't put nothing in my hair, okay? Just water. So I like to keep a spray bottle nearby just so I don't have to keep the water running in the shower because, you know, we're trying to, you know, conserve water and help the planet and all that good stuff. But yeah, I want to make sure that my hair stays wet because the water is the moisture. I'm gonna say that again. The water is the moisture. Not the leave-in conditioner, not the creams, not the oils, but the water is the moisture. So I just need to make sure that my hair is soaking wet and just completely drenched in water while I'm styling. And I'm using the Camille Rose Curl Maker. Again, love Camille Rose. This is one of my favorite gels. It is fantastic, has great ingredients, and it has a lot of slip, so I can find my curls with the Felicia Leatherwood brush. I get nice, defined, popping curls with this brush and with this gel. And I just make sure that I apply a generous amount to each section, which for me is about 1 to 2 pumps, depending on how big the section is. Of course, for bigger sections, they get 2 pumps. Maybe a little bit more. I just need to make sure that every strand is coated. And once I'm done applying the gel all over, I shake my curls out just to separate the curls a little bit. It helps to give it a nicer shape. Just, I don't know, it just does something, you know. And then I sit under a dryer for about 25 minutes or so, 20 to 25 minutes, maybe a little longer. And if I need to, I'll go back in with a diffuser and just get any spots that might still be a little damp, which I didn't show in a video because it's just a little difficult to record that, but you don't really need to see me dry my hair. So after my hair is dry, that's it, I'm done. Unless I want to style it in these cute little puffs like I did, then that's going to take a little more extra time and some extra steps, obviously. But otherwise, that's it. And typically I don't wear my hair out like that in a wash and go. I'm just not a fan of like the shape and style. It's just giving Soul Train, you know. I don't know, it's just not, it's not giving, it's not for me. So I like to style it in like these cute little puffs. I'm still trying to figure out how to work this shorter cut that I have. So anyways, that is my new improved, simplified natural hair routine. And y'all, it only takes me like an hour and a half to wash and style my hair. An hour and a half, as opposed to the 3 to 4 hours that it would take me to do my whole hair routine with my old routine. And that's not including styling time, because I used to do twist outs and braid out more often. And of course, that's another hour and a half to 2 hours because I have a lot of hair. So, but now I'm just doing wash and goes because that's all I really have time for. With that being said, I don't know how this method works with twist outs and braid outs, but I can't imagine it would be that different if I'm using a high quality gel. I don't see it being that much different. but I haven't tested it out, so I don't know. But I will test it out, and I will get back to y'all and let y'all know how it goes. Okay, make sure you follow me on Instagram so that, you know, I'm probably going to post about it there first. So, you know, stay tuned. So I don't know if it works, but it should. In theory, it should work. Guys, this routine is amazing. There's so many benefits, and the most obvious one being the amount of time it takes. It's way less time and effort. Not only that, but it takes a much shorter time for my hair to dry because there isn't some heavy cream in there with the gel piled on top and making it really hard to, you know, dry fast. I was mind blown the first time I tried this at home. I was like, yo, it's dry already? Like, what? It's crazy. I also feel like my curls are defining and popping way more than they were before. I don't know if y'all can see this little curly curl right here. These little curly curls. So this was not possible with my old routine. I would have done this, and by now, well, I did this maybe 3 hours ago? I'd say 3, 4, 5 hours ago. By now, this would have been a little puff ball, and I would have brushed it up into my puff already. Like, this never used to work, and I don't know what the science is behind that, but my hair is defining and staying defined a lot longer than it was before. It just seems like it's holding on to moisture way better than it was before. So, you know, it's just something to think about. Just something to think about, something for you to ponder on if you're still using the LOC method or heavy oils and butters. You know, something to ponder on, yeah? Something for you to chew on. Okay. 20 minutes. Okay. So, we're doing good. We're doing good on time. Condition like your life depends on it. Marry that water and that conditioner. That's what's going to give you the moisture that stays in your hair for days. No product or anything is gonna give you long-lasting moisture for weeks at a time. It's just not gonna happen no matter what. Your hair is going to lose the moisture, so you're gonna have to put it back in every few days or whatever. That is the most important step to getting the bomb wash and go, you know, the bomb styles, the popping curls, the shine, the definition, all of that. It's the conditioning. It's gonna make sure that your hair is sucking up all that moisture, all that water as much as possible, and it's gonna give you moisture and lasting styles at that. So I know it sounds crazy because it goes against everything that we've been taught, but I implore you to put that butter down, put that shea butter down. Yes, you. I see you in the back there, clutching your shea butter to your chest. Let it go, sweetie. Let it go. Put it down. Save it for your skin. You can use it on your skin, but stop putting them butters in your hair, okay? I know. I swore by it. I probably still have some videos up swearing by heavy butters and creams because my hair is thick and I have high porosity hair and I need to seal the moisture in. No. Don't need to do all that. Don't need to do all of that. Yeah, get you a good shampoo, get you a good conditioner, and get you some quality gel because that's what you're gonna get the best results in. I know some of us love Eco Styler still, but I can't vouch for the cheaper gels, to be honest with you. And the stylists are not having it with the cheap gels either. With the Eco Styler gels, they're not having it with that. They're not having it. You guys, this is the moment that Type 4 girls have been waiting for. We have been complaining for years about how it takes so many products and how it takes so much time for us to do our hair. And I'm here to tell you that it doesn't take all that time. And finally, we get confirmation that we don't need all those products. We don't need to spend all that time on our hair. It could be so simple. So I don't know why the community is pushing back so hard on this information, because people are really pushing back. You know, people don't want to let go of their creams and butters, and you know, I understand. I was once there. I loved my butters, okay? But we gotta let them go. I don't know why the community's been pushing so hard against it, because it's like, sweetie, this is less work for you. This is less money spent. Like, this is less time spent on you. Like, why wouldn't you want to at least try it out? See if it works. If it doesn't work, then hey, you know, fine. Do what works for you. But it might. It just might. Why not? Just try it out. Try it out and come back and tell me how it goes. Let me know in the comment section down below. Are you still using heavy oils, heavy butters, and creams and stuff like that? Are you never going to let them go? Have you tried the 3-step method? I don't know if that's the official name, but that's what we're going to call it, just because as humans, we have to give things names. Have you tried the 3-step method? Are you going to try it? Like, let me know. Let's talk in the comments down below. Like, what do y'all think? What do y'all think? You see my evidence. It works, child. I mean, look at these curls. Look at that. I'm just saying, look at the material. The material is right there. I'm giving it to you. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I didn't hurt your feelings too bad, you know? I hope I didn't drag y'all too hard. I drugged myself too. I dragged myself. We all got dragged here. We're all getting dragged. We're all being dragged by our hair, by these stylists. If you like this video, if it was helpful, give your girl a thumbs up. Make sure you share this. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Follow me on social media. My handle is @JanelleSequoia_XO. All the information will be in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.